Today I went to market and thought of buying a Ganesh Chaturthi decoration, but all were so expensive that I was not able to buy, and most of them were sold. So now what to do? I thought of making Ganpati decoration at home. So I want to share this experiment or DIY activity with you all. So let's get started, guys. Let's make our Ganpati decoration and let's get started. I thought of making flowers and then doing creativity with them. So for making flowers, I have taken 4 tissue papers. You see over here, I have taken 4 tissue papers and I have kept them one above other. So now, after keeping them one above other, we will cut them into half. Like see, now I will cut them into half by using a scissor. Yes. So guys, now you can see I have cut them into half properly and they look something like this. So now basically you have 8 pieces of tissue papers this way. And guys, now it depends on you. Now my tissue papers are this big, so I thought of using 4. If your tissue papers are very big, then you can use maybe 3, 2. That's all upon you. Yeah, and if your tissue papers are very small, then you can use 5 to 6. So now what we'll make? Now see, when I was small, I used to make that fan, Japanese fan. So this only we have to do with this. So I am going to make a Japanese fan with this by this way. So see, like I'm just doing the step which we used to do when we were small for making a fan. So this way I'll do it and then I will come to you. Fan is ready. Now see, my tissue paper is very thin, so it is tearing, but that's fine. So now after making this fan, don't use it as a fan. Take aluminium, what we can say to this, wire type of thing, and then see this. What I'll do is this way I'll roll it around and keep some part of the wire over here so that we can attach it to something. Now that you all will come to know when you will see the whole video, so keep seeing the video. So guys, this is what we get. Now let's move to the next step. This is done, but now what we need to do, this is an important step, that you all need to make this part equal. Okay, so little tar like the aluminium wire here and there, and it will happen. So guys, see, this tissue paper is getting teared, but that's fine. So guys, now see, this is perfect. Now what I will do, I'll fold it around, and this is our flower ready. Just joking, guys, this is not ready. Now there is the most important step is going to come now. Like I'm just making this equal, and now what I'll do, see, now I'll slowly take the first petal type and remove it slowly, very slow, this way. And then after doing this, you just take it near, hold it in your hand this way, and then very near. What will this happen? Like it won't make a hollow cavity in between of the flower. If the hollow cavity is formed, then it won't look good. So now I'm going to do it for the whole flower, and then I'll come to you. Finally, my flower is ready. Now guys, see, one thing I'll tell you all now only, that this Ganpati decoration requires about 1 month. Yes, I know it's going to require 1 month. So like 1 month before only you start, so that it will be like do not start this on last day. So guys, now see, this is my flower. You can see how beautiful it looks and how white. Beautiful, right? So guys, now we have to make approx like 300 flowers. Yes. So let's start making, and this requires teamwork. So let's start making the flowers quickly, and then let's start making the mandap or the Ganpati decoration.
धरती हे अंबर तुझे गुण गाती, हे तारे हे वारे तुझे नाम घेती. ही धरती हे अंबर तुझे गुण गाती, हे तारे हे वारे तुझे नाम घेती. विश्वाचा पालक तू नायक गणांचा, गुणातीत गुणमय तू गुरु ज्ञानदाता. विश्वाचा पालक तू नायक गणांचा, गुणातीत गुणमय तू गुरु ज्ञानदाता. मोरया रे मोरया रे मोरया रे बाप्पा मोरया. मोरया रे मोरया रे मोरया रे बाप्पा मोरया. गणपती बाप्पा मोरया. मंगलमूर्ती मोरया. मोरया रे मोरया रे मोरया रे बाप्पा मोरया. मोरया रे मोरया रे मोरया रे बाप्पा मोरया. जो शरण तुला आला त्याचा उद्धार तू केला. जो शरण तुला आला त्याचा उद्धार तू केला. चला मिळून सारे बोला बाप्पा मोरया.
Everything is done, everything. And now maybe 30 minutes ago, Dad has gone to bring Ganpati Bappa Murti, and he must be on the road now. So now what we will do, we will go downstairs and welcome Ganpati.
पावलानी आले बाप्पा, शिरनूर मस्तकी लावून टिळा. सोन पावलानी आले बाप्पा, शिरनूर मस्तकी लावून टिळा. माझा बाप्पा किती गोड दिसतो, माझा मोरया किती गोड दिसतो. माझा बाप्पा किती गोड दिसतो, माझा मोरया किती गोड दिसतो. सुंदर निरागस रूप आहे तुझे, भक्तीत तल्ली.
So guys, hope you liked the DIY activity. If yes, what you need to do is like, share and subscribe my channel. So guys, meet you in the next video. Till then, tata, bye bye. And yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.